Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be testing cheap Glossier from eBay. So I constantly get these ads about Glossier on my Instagram whenever I'm scrolling. It's mostly always on their cloud paint. So I went on their website and I saw those puppies retailed for $18. To me, that was just a little overpriced for a product that I really didn't know how well it worked because I haven't personally used it. So I just had this random thought to check eBay to see if I could find Glossier products for cheap. And sure enough, there were sellers that were selling the cloud paint from Glossier. I found the cloud paints and they retailed for $7.99. I picked up two colors. I picked up the colors Beam and Storm. And I'm really excited to try these out because I haven't gotten to open them and test them because I wanted my reaction to be on camera, and I'm gonna wear it today and I'm gonna do a wear test throughout the day to see how the product actually holds up and if it's actually like the legit product. So here is the first product in the color Beam. Honestly, the packaging just comes like this, which I'm pretty sure the original packaging isn't supposed to come like this. I don't own the original Glossier, so I wouldn't know 100% if this is an exact dupe for it, but I did very much study the pictures and so far it looks really similar. Oh, okay, so this is open. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is open. It's flat, like it's been squeezed, even though the product claimed that it was a brand new Glossier cloud paint. So this is Beam. Oh, that is super runny. That's super runny. Is it supposed to be runny like that? That's a really pretty color. I thought it looked too peach on the tube. Looks pretty peach right here, but that's really pretty. But the color is amazing and it honestly blends really good. Like it's blending really nicely on my hand. But let's move on to Storm. So in here we've got Storm. This color I was super excited about. It looked gorgeous on every skin tone. It was like this deep berry, and I have been wanting like a deep color like for a blush for such a long time. So this one was also $7.99. Here is Storm. That looks really pretty. Again, the packaging is kind of flimsy. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but that's how it is. And now I'm just gonna open it. This is the color that I'm gonna be wearing today. Oh, this one was closed. This one was closed, guys. And this one feels a lot fuller than the Beam. And I did get these from different sellers, so that could be it also. This one seems full. So I'm going to be wearing this one today and I'm going to see how it lasts throughout the day and if it holds up and it works just as good as the $18 Glossier. But first I'm going to swatch it on my hand so you guys can see that. Put a little less. That's such a pretty color. I didn't put a lot because I didn't want to waste the product, but that's so pretty. $10 out of 10. I haven't even worn it throughout the day. I call it. It's gonna be a 10 out of 10. That is so pretty and natural looking. It's not overbearing or anything and it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, if I had to pay $18 for this, I probably would. It's so pretty and it blended out really good. And I can't blend for my life. I'll show you guys in natural lighting once I get outside. I'm gonna be heading over to a pumpkin patch. I'm looking at Halloween costumes, so if you wanna come hang with me, but if not, that's cool too. You guys could just skip to where I give you guys my final thoughts, final results. For now, I am super impressed. Super impressed. Hopefully the wear test doesn't let me down. See you guys in a bit. I just came out of the Halloween store. I didn't really film in there because I was too shy to, but I'll try to film more at the pumpkin patch just because it's like an open space and I'm kind of like scared of getting in trouble filming like in a store, you know? I forgot to mention that I first put on the Glossier Cloud Paint at 10 in the morning. It is now 3:30, so it's been like 5 hours since I've applied it. This is how it looks in the 5-hour mark. It's holding up pretty good. The only thing that I have noticed is that it kind of accentuates my pimples that I have on my face, but I honestly like the color, so I think it's worth it. There has been no smudging. It has stayed in place. It is intact. The color is holding up really nice. This is how it looks in more natural lighting, because the lighting in my room was poopy. So this is the 5-hour mark, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Hey, I just got back from the pumpkin patch. I didn't film in there either. Sorry, I suck. But it has been about an hour, so this is the 6-hour mark for the Glossier Cloud Paint. This is how it looks. It looks really nice. As you can see, it looks super natural but still noticeable. I am loving it so much for the price it was. I think I just got myself some cheap Glossier. I'll check back with you guys later. I'm gonna grab some food and I'm gonna go buy my little brother a goldfish, because sadly our goldfish Sunny passed away this week, and so he's been sad about that, and I'm gonna surprise him with a new one. So see you guys real soon. Already back from the pet store, and I got a brand new fish for my little brother. I am planning to put it in a bowl and leave it by his bedside, so when he wakes up he'll see a brand new little fish right next to him, and I really want to see his reaction. It is really cute. I don't know if you guys can see it. If you guys want to know more about this little guy or anything about like my other pets and animals, or just me, make sure to follow my Instagram at thelisa.pizza. Yeah, about that. It's a day later. Our fish that we ended up naming Oreo passed away. I feel really bad for getting him a fish and it just passed away a day later, and we had just named it. So I decided to go back to PetSmart and I got him 2 brand new fish. This time I got him 2 little guppies. It was a yellow guppy and a turquoise guppy. Here they are. They're like at the bottom of the bowl. They're not letting themselves really be seen. So since 10 o'clock this morning, when I applied the Glossier Cloud Paint onto my skin, it has now been 11 hours. It is around 9 o'clock. Honestly, it has stayed on really well. For it being like almost 12 hours, and it has stayed really intact and just as good looking as when I first put it on, I highly recommend this. In a very hit or miss situation, this was 100% a hit for me. If you guys are looking to try out the Glossier products but don't want to splurge that much money, I definitely recommend getting it off eBay for $8 only. But do it at your own risk, because remember, one of the products that I got was kind of half empty and it looked kind of open, but the other one was really good and I love it so much. Just beware, read the reviews, read the seller ratings, and all that good stuff that you should do whenever you buy something online. But in overall, this was awesome and I really enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I'm testing more Glossier products or any high-end products that I got off eBay or really cheap somewhere, if you guys enjoyed those type of videos, please let me know, because it was really fun to make. So definitely make sure, if you guys always wanted to try Glossier and didn't want to spend the money, try out eBay before splurging, because it's only $8 and that's a steal. I'll see you guys soon in a very exciting video, and I am so thankful that I am back. If you didn't know, I took a little break and I'm gonna be trying to regularly upload as much as I can. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.